Hello everyone. So today I'm going to be walking you through on our e-commerce platform and demonstrate some of its key features. We'll cover things like user authentication, product management, categorization, and administrative abilities. So let's dive right in. First, let's start with our secure login system. As you can see, users can log in using their email and password. Notice the clean, intuitive interface with clear error handling if I enter the wrong password. So let's try that first. Apologize. As you can see, it says invalid email or password. Now if I type in the correct password, it takes me to the dashboard page. As you can see here in the dashboard page, there are several data shown like total profit, total products, monthly income, total sold, total orders. I apologize for the product sale for as you know, this project is still a work in progress and there will still be some issues and bugs every now and then. Let's move on to products. As you can see here in products, there are a list of products where you can categorize them, like for example drinks. You can filter them, you can view some low stocks or out of stock items, and you can also add an item. For example, let's add an item, demo test, test demo, noodles, pack 50, 60. Then let's create. Then let's refresh the page. And let's search for that. As you can see here, test demo. And when we view this item, you can see its product details. Here in the product overview, users can easily browse through products with our pagination system. Each product, yes, okay. And as you can see here, the product overview contains our primary details, supplier details. As you can see here, it's still none because we haven't implemented that yet. And then you can adjust the stock, you can change its image, you can basically anything you can do with product details. So let's go back to products. There's also what do you call this? Dark mode feature, as you can see here. It works pretty well. The pagination of this seems to overflow. I will try to fix that as soon as possible. And now let's move on to our category system. As you can see here, these are a list of categories. We have drinks, noodles, toppings, and others. And if you don't list any category, it will just go to a no category, where these are the categories collated with all the products that don't have a category. So let's go to noodles. Let's view noodles. As you can see here, there's product details of noodles, where you can export, you can also edit, um, yet to be implemented. And you can also add a subcategory, like here, is still yet to be implemented. And you can see the list of items under noodles. Yeah. If you want to see the one, it's here. Here's my project structure. So for backend, we're using Koan. For backend, we're using Django. And here are our service files. We have authentication, categories, customer, database, product, and sales. For our front end, we're using Vue.js. I'm quite familiar with React and any kind of JavaScript framework, but for now we're using Vue.js because since it's a newish technology I wanted to explore. As you can see here in our project structure, we have some styles, assets, common, customers, dashboard. Yeah. So let's move on to the next feature. In the logs. Oh, one more thing I'd like to add here. We also have a notifications icon. As you can see here, new product added. named demo test. So that's a nice touch too. But okay, then here in logs, you can see all the changes that have happened. May it be a session log or uh, an update, an edit, or any CRUD for our items. You can see it here. Here are the suppliers. Um, this is only still just front end, but we're working on it. As you can see, here you have a list of suppliers and their details, and then when you view, you can see your past purchase orders, your recent activity with those suppliers, and more contact information. Moving on to accounts. Here we have account management. As you can see, there are several users where currently we only have two roles, which is admin and employee. Then you can set its status, and here you can see when it's created on, and you can also see when he or she last logged in. To reports by categories, you can see the sales charge. I apologize. You can see the sales chart per category here. See? As you can see, noodles has the most total net sales, and so as you can see, our platform provides a comprehensive solution covering everything from user authentication and product management to advanced administrative capabilities. The system is designed with both user experience and business efficiency in mind. Thank you for your time. This is only the back office system where this project is planned to be a three system project where there's a back office, a POS, and a customer website. So, uh, thank you for your time and hoping to hear from you soon.